responsible and pivotal role in ensuring that the most vulnerable and poor of our society get the assistance they deserve. They deserve completing a journey that your father once started, but he may not have had the chance to finish it. I wish you well and the very best in this journey.
To the Acting Director, Legal Aid Commission, all the staff of the Legal Aid Commission, ladies and gentlemen, Bula Vinaka, and very good morning to all of you. I'm not sure, how many of these have I done already?
It's a tradition now, we've done for the
It's
last
become a
2
tradition.
years.
Unfortunately, I always get sick when I come here. I'm delighted to be here this morning to open the 6th Legal Aid Commission's annual National Corporate Staff Training Seminar. Such seminars, ladies and gentlemen, are extremely important for any organization as it enables employees to comprehensively and effectively map out activities for the year or the next few years. It also provides a platform to share knowledge, ideas, and intellect to better equip each officer to carry out their duties professionally and efficiently. The Legal Aid Commission, ladies and gentlemen, is a very crucial agency of the Fijian government that provides the much needed legal support to Fijians who are not able to secure legal counsel or advice due to financial constraints. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the Legal Aid Commission is really the largest law firm in Fiji, with offices in almost all of the towns in Fiji, with the opening of the new offices around Fiji and outer islands, namely Kandahar, Rotuma, Namawalu, Levuka, Taveuni. The Commission by far has the largest reach in Fiji. For this reason, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you'll all agree with me, I'd like to express my appreciation to the Honourable Prime Minister and the Attorney General and the Solicitor General's chambers for their commitment and continued belief and support to seeing justice expand in Fiji, and also to the Legal Aid Commission Board and staff for their passion and their dedication in serving all Fijians. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government has ensured that the appropriate financial support is provided to the Legal Aid Commission, and hence the increase in the grant allocation for 2016. Whilst the government provides the relevant resources for you all to undertake your task, the onus is also on you. It's on you to give 100% to the organization, and an organization is as good as the people working in it. Ladies and gentlemen, the management this year will also ensure that staff are given ample training and development opportunities, both locally and internationally. And this is leading to promoting a better and well-informed, robust, and active workforce. As important as it is for the workforce to be well-equipped and well-informed, it is also important to have a healthy workforce. If the workers are not well, the organization is not well. It will not produce the expected deliverables. And therefore, whilst training is required to feed the knowledge base, regular medical checkups and screenings are also important to keep the employees on their toes with regards to their health. Therefore, as you are working on team building over the next 2 days, you should also remember that proper record keeping also and maintaining a database is crucial in the legal field, and records and information on all the cases provide good case studies for future cases. I therefore actually commend the Legal Aid Commission for developing and implementing a robust database system that will provide information for future legal officers in the organization. Ladies and gentlemen, as I said earlier, the employees are really the engine room of an organization. We can have a state-of-the-art organization, but if we do not have the workers, the organization really is nothing. You all play a pivotal role in providing greater access to justice, and you are the first point of contact with the public, and the services provided by you will not go unnoticed. You are the most important assets of the Legal Aid Commission. Hence, your contribution to this corporate training seminar is very important to take the organization forward. It is also important for you to work, ladies and gentlemen, in collaboration to provide exceptional service to the poor. And I must reiterate that no idea, whether big or small, is unimportant. I therefore urge you all actively participate in this seminar for the betterment of the organization. And I know you have a wonderful acting director who always listens, whether it be the driver or somebody even higher above. He always listens, and it's a mark of a good leader. So, ladies and gentlemen, with those few words, I declare the seminar open, and I wish you all well in your deliberations in the next 2 days. Thank you very much.
Yeah,